GEGA
Awards 2025 TV Station of the Year.
This fantastic TV station of the year. And guess what? This is going to Getembe. Wow. Pick up Getembe. Pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Pick up, pick up. Pick up. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Pick up, pick up. Mzito, pick up, pick up, pick up. Kazizini. Pick up, pick up, pick up. I'm good, bro. Good to see you. Thank you, thank you. Pick up, man. Proud of you guys.
Unajua hata mimi nimekuwa na furaha kwa sababu ni home. Tupigie makofi tafadhali kwa sababu ni home. And this one I have to be inside the photo. Wapi makofi ya Getembe TV? So sinipatiane nafasi tafadhali Honorable Nsarigo. Kuja usalimiane hapa. Onkorogo. Wacha nipatie mkubwa alafu tutashukuru.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Ukweli tunashukuru sana. My name is Geoffrey Nsarigo, station manager Getembe. We want to appreciate for the trust you've given us. This is the second time we're winning this award. And for that reason, on behalf of Getembe TV, God bless you so much. Na Mungu wabariki sana. And have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you.
Okay. Na Onkorogo eheli.
Thank you so much.
Wapi makofi ya Onkorogo eheli.